Hi, my name is Corey Jensen and I'm with Dirk's Plumbing Supply. In today's segment, we're going to be talking about how to install sprinkler heads on polypipe. With polypipe, they make these cool saddles, and there's various kinds. We like these orange quick tap saddles. There's some older saddles that have been around for a lot of years too, these white ones and the gray ones. We're going to talk about how to attach those saddles to this pipe and how to come up to your sprinkler heads. Years ago, they used to come off with a PVC T and right onto a nipple. The problem with that is always trying to get your height where it needs to be. Sometimes you dig your trenches too deep or shallow, and so there's a new way. Let me show you this quick tap saddle here. They snap around just like this, really easy, and they've got a point that as you tighten this down, they pierce a hole into the polypipe. And you'll tighten it all the way down until it stops. You'll hear kind of a clicking noise and it'll just stop. So it's pierced the hole, that easy. This is called a funny elbow or a swing elbow. You'll tighten this in, just hand tight, no Teflon tape. This is what they call swing pipe or funny pipe. And this goes on and you'll just kind of push this on. The swing pipe does not require a clamp. The barbs on the swing L are kind of a spiral barb. They're like they're threaded, whereas a regular barb fitting, they're just straight. So you'll stick that on, and the sprinkler head will kind of go onto the end just like that. There's different types of sprinkler heads. This funny pipe works on the big sprinkler heads, the rotors, as well as these, the small pop-ups. What's really nice about this swing pipe is this can be at various lengths depending on what you need. Sometimes the trencher will be trenching along, and you might have your house or a sidewalk. You can't get the trencher right up next to the sidewalk, so you'll put this saddle on and you can position this funny pipe or position the sprinkler head where you need it. Ideally, you probably want at least 12 inches to give yourself a little bit of room. What's nice about this funny pipe is you can lift up or push down according to the grade. So it doesn't matter the depth of your trenches. You can lift up or down, which is nice. So another type of saddle are these older ones, and they're a good quality saddle as well. This is just newer. They kind of wrap around like so, and there's a nut driver, a little tool that tightens them down. So you'll tighten these saddles down with this nut driver. And you just want to do them till they feel snug on the pipe. Usually there's about 4 or 5 threads showing. You don't want to over tighten these saddles. If you over tighten them, they can break. There you have your saddle there. And now you've got to cut a hole. And so this is what they call a coring tool. It has a little blade in there that cuts a circular hole. So you'll stick this in, you'll just twist it in a circle 2 or 3 times, pop it out. See how it popped out in a little piece, and you can just kind of pop it off there. So now I've got the hole, and it's ready to throw on a funny elbow. You'll stick that funny elbow in, hand tight. Same thing like you did. You'll come off with the funny pipe in your sprinkler head. So 2 kinds of saddles. We're selling a lot more of these orange ones lately because they're so much faster. You don't have to spend the time to tighten the nuts down or core it out, just the one action. So whenever you have your sprinkler heads on the middle of the line, you'll always use a saddle. What happens when you get to the very end? When you get the very last sprinkler head and you're just trying to end it, they have a couple different ways. We have this little swing adapter, which you can push that into the poly and clamp it, and then your funny pipe will come off right at the end, and you can do the same thing, lift it up or down. We've also got what they call an end elbow. You can also put the end elbow in, and then you can stick the funny elbow into that. And same thing, you'll bring the funny pipe off just a foot or 18 inches or so, get your grade to what you need. Another really nice thing about this funny pipe is, say you're doing sod, you'll you'll bring it up where you think the grade's going to be, and say when things set a little bit and they're a little bit deep, you can just loosen the dirt, wiggle it up a little bit, and that funny pipe will move. You can adjust that over time. A lot of PVC systems, that's the same thing. You'll use funny pipe to attach all the heads, and you'll stick a funny elbow in, whether it's PVC or poly, off you go to your head. So that's pretty much how to install a sprinkler head.